In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a WooCommerce backup fast and easy in 2025. If you've ever experienced the heart-stopping moment of losing your online store data, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable backup and restore process. So let's jump right into it and alleviate your worries with some simple steps. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for managing your WooCommerce store, and from here, you can access all the tools you need. Your next step is to ensure that you've installed the UpdraftPlus plugin. This powerful tool is our essential ally for backing up and restoring your site. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily find it under the plugins section. Make sure it's activated and ready to go, because it will handle the heavy lifting of our task today. Now, once you've confirmed that UpdraftPlus is installed, move your cursor to the toolbar on your WordPress dashboard and locate the plugin. Click on it, and you'll see the Backup Restore option. This is where the magic happens. When you click on Backup Restore, it opens a new window displaying all of your existing backups. This view is incredibly useful as it outlines the chronological history of your site's backup files. Now, let's say you need to restore a specific version of your WooCommerce store. You'll find an option saying Restore or Backup Now. Click on it. This action prompts you to select the backup version you wish to restore. Typically, this includes both files and the database because they are interdependent. Make sure you select the comprehensive option to fully restore your site as it was. It's important to double-check that you've selected the correct backup file. This step is crucial, especially if you've made significant changes to your site since the previous backup was created. Confirm the details of the backup, such as the date and description, to ensure it aligns with what you want to restore. When you're sure about your selection, click on Backup Now. Doing this initiates the restoration process. Depending on the size of your backup and your server speed, it might take a little while, so be patient. It's vital to let the process run without interruptions to ensure that everything is restored correctly. And there you have it, a newly restored WooCommerce site in just a few simple steps. Hopefully, this guide has made the restoration process feel manageable and stress-free. Remember, regular backups and knowing how to restore them are key to maintaining a healthy and secure online store. Stay prepared and happy restoring.